Alright, so let's see, our input bearings are pretty bad. It's got some side to side too, but I don't think it's the shaft. I think the shaft is fine, but yeah, it's definitely worn. Now I have several of these transmissions, so what I'm going to do, depending on which one I have, because they make different bases, some are thicker than others, I might just take my transmission and swap out this cross shaft, because I believe mine's good, and then I will just basically rebuild this one at a later date. Alright, this is mine. You can see it's actually got a half case here, and some of them are enclosed, some aren't. This is actually a replacement bottom for this transmission, because I had the machine that was on, the chain jumped and it actually snapped the bottom right off. This one, the bearings are nice and tight. So I can't remember what this one is though. Depending on how many gears are in here, I might have to swap out some of the gears too. But, you know, I'll just, like I said, I'll rebuild the other one later. And then that gives me, saves me some money for now. Money and time.